Dude, the way it just opens up is, this is like a pure silence video, but I hope y'all are fucking with it. And oh my god, what has gotten into you, baby? Yo, why you feel like you got so much power right now? Is that because I understand my bike a little better now? After having that little hiccup? Is that what this is? Do we just bond a little better? Because you feel pretty powerful for some reason. Not that it always doesn't, but it feels like it's got a little bit more kick. I don't know why. Is it because we're in your true element? Oh my god, this is so much fun, bro! I wish I could commentate, but I have to be so locked in. Oh my god, this is worth it though. This has got to be so sick to watch. Oh my god, I'm scraping. Easy, bro. I hope the wind's not too bad. Part of me wants to end this video, but at the same time it's like, just chill, I guess, because I'm not talking about anything, you know. But I guess this is still sick to watch. Let's get a shot of the homies before the camera dies. Okay. So is this the restaurant? No, that's the park. Okay. Jesus, bro. Oh yeah. This is chill. I like this. Alright. Easy, girl. Oh, this is sick. Oh, hell yeah. Another hairpin? Construction. Oh my god, I'm so locked in, bro. I can't think of anything to speak about. I'm just so focused. I love it. Oh my god, this little section, yo, what? Yo, oh my god. This guy's just eating up my mountain time, bro. Dude, I need to get around. Still chill, I guess. Just wish this guy wasn't going so slow. And by slow, I guess I mean the speed limit, I guess. Thank you. What a blessing. What a video, bro. I swear. Who knows how long this is gonna take me to edit too. Alright, y'all still behind me? Okay. Not too far. Now it's our shot at the 2-lane road. Let me slow it down. That way they can stay with me. Me and you? Me and you time? Alright, bet. Let's get it, bro. Yeah, bro. Come on. Oh, and the sun's coming out. Let's go, baby. Too bad this video is about to end. And it's just gonna cut. It's gonna cut mid-ride. My camera's full. I gotta delete some footage real quick.
Okay.
Is your delete footage?
You want to find a spot to actually pull over? This is not.
Alright, say less, say less.
Right there.
Where the cones are? Alright, bet. I just need to, you guys are calmed up? Are you calmed up? We're pulling over there, okay? I need storage. This is too sick. It'll be really fast. Dude, I see where this is going. Nah, we need this. We need this, bro. Excuse me, I'm filming here. I am filming here, sir. Look at your little